Yeah, ako, balik tayo dun sa coverage. We know we were all watching the NBA, but what do you think in terms of the coverage? What are they doing good? That's something that we can do as well locally in the PBA.
For me, I think our coverage is better in terms of the analysis. There are some announcers there whom I would rather not listen to. I would much rather listen to our own announcers. I think the social distancing aspect is very important. Doon, lagay ko, marami tayong matututunan, no? In terms of their protocols. Also in terms of the situation of where the panelists are, as far as where they are compared to where the players are, yung palagay ko, pwede natin pag-aralan yun. Marami tayong matututunan.